Welcome to day 9 of Strong in 75. If you have not watched days 1 through 8, please go back and watch them because we're getting into some disputes right now and you have not even learned a lot of things or haven't even set up to even do disputes right now. Okay, so please go back and watch days 1 through 8. Okay, for the people that's actually here, you guys, we're on day 9. It's time for us to start doing our disputes. Now, let me tell y'all ahead of time, when I do disputes, I like to just do all 3 credit bureaus together. I do not like to separate it like I'm going to have you separated now. I'm going to just talk about a little bit extra for each credit bureau, but I like to just do all disputes at one time. It's just so much easier. I don't just do, oh, let me do all of my Experian. No. And when I teach y'all, I also teach y'all, hey, this account is on all 3 credit bureaus. Put them on all 3 letters, okay? So don't forget, you guys have your free course. So you guys can learn additional things on how to actually lay it out, have more visuals on these different things, okay? But I like to teach y'all how to do all 3 of them at one time. I don't want to just do Experian right now. I want to do all 3 of them at one time. And then I want you to send them all out certified mail. Now, you can take it day by day in terms of, okay, so for the first day, I'm going to make sure, well, you already should have found your errors. So you found your errors yesterday. Okay, for the first day, I'm going to just go ahead and do all of my letters. Okay, the second day, I'm going to make sure that I do all my certified receipts. I'm going to put all my stuff on my envelopes. I'm going to do that. I'm going to write down my tracking. And the third day, I'm going to make sure I have them mailed in. You can separate it like that. But honestly, we're talking about, we're going to do the Experian on day 9. Then we're going to go to another bureau, day 10. Day 11, going to another bureau. These videos is kind of going to be a short video because I'm not going to be asking you, did you do your disputes yet? Okay, and again, y'all have that free course that can teach y'all how to actually line up that letter. It's more of a visual. I wish it was that easy where I can just show it to you here. I'm more of a visual person. I can't tell y'all how to do it. It's something where you literally have to actually watch it. So please take full advantage of what you got with your books, okay? Okay, so let's now get into it. So for day 9, you actually have to send in a dispute. So let me talk about disputes for people that don't know. If you guys find inaccuracies on your credit reports, things that's not correct in your credit reports, you have a right to dispute it, saying this is not correct. You have a right to do that with anybody that's furnishing information against you. So I may say credit bureaus, that's just because y'all know that right now. They're really credit reporting agencies. They're not necessarily a bureau. They're not like the government or anything like that. They're credit reporting agencies. So when you find that these credit reporting agencies are reporting inaccurate information, which a lot of times you can see on your collections, charge-offs, your bankruptcies, your foreclosures, all these different repossessions, you can see a lot of inaccuracies with this. You have the right to dispute this inaccurate information. A lot of times when you dispute it, they'll delete it from the credit reports. Sometimes though, they won't delete it from the credit reports, and that's when our actual suing to win come in at. So if they don't actually fix these different accounts, then that's when we actually do our suing to win. We're going to talk about this a little bit later. Right now, all we need to focus on is actually getting the disputes out, see what actually get deleted, see what don't get deleted, that should have been deleted, and then we can go on, do more letters, and then we can talk about, okay, this one you need to think about possibly suing, okay? But again, this book right here is available in your 3-book bundle. So don't forget, you're going to get these 2 books in your bundle plus this. So it's going to be 3 books total, okay? And then this is the book that we're going off of, and then we got to Raise Your Credit Score 100 points in 30 days, okay? So you're going to get these 2 books plus this one. It's going to be a 3-book bundle. I'll make sure I have it pinned down below for the people that have not gotten it. I've been talking about it every single episode. Well, just in case, some people just watching this one episode, they're not watching them all. They're not listening all the way. But that's all right. Y'all just want to know what it is first before y'all get into it. That's all right. I got it pinned down below. If it's sold out, leave me a comment saying, hey, Kita, it's sold out. And then I'll make sure I message you or I'll send you something saying, hey, I'll reply to your comment saying, hey, it's back in stock. But make sure y'all getting these books while they're still there because they're going to sell out, okay? It is what it is. Okay, so now y'all know what disputes are. I suggest that everybody send a letter in terms of a dispute. I don't believe in the online. I don't believe in none of that other stuff. You have to send a letter in. That's key. So I want you all to actually send a letter in to all 3 credit bureaus or whichever credit bureau have this inaccurate information, send them a dispute letter. So again, you learn about this. You guys have that free course that come with the book. You learn about all of these different things and how to actually do it. Plus you'll have the dispute letter there too. Okay. So you don't have to be like, well, wait, what's the letter? It's literally a copy paste kind of thing. I teach you guys how to do it. So you guys will fully learn that. The only thing I want you to understand is dispute by mail. Don't do that online, all the other stuff. Make sure you guys send a copy of your ID and a social security card in. You guys can send that in. You have to wait 30 days after you send it in. So they have 30 days to respond. So on the 31st day, you want to actually check this. The 31st day, that's when you want to pull your credit report and see what was deleted and what was not deleted, okay, on the 31st day. Also, you want to make sure that you're tracking these. Don't just do the certifying you're not tracking, okay? And then document the day that you mailed it and make sure that you follow up. I like to just know when I mailed it, and then 7 days I like to check it. That's just what I like to do. It's just so much easier for me. So I want you guys to do the same thing, okay? Know when you mailed it, and then 7 days, go back and track it. Okay, by then it should have been delivered. They'll say, hey, it was delivered on this day at this time. You know what that day is. Then you can say, okay, 31 days from this day, I need to pull my credit reports. Okay, so we're going to go over the same thing basically for the next few days. I'm just asking y'all, did y'all do this? Did y'all do that? Now, Experian is very big on, oh, we don't have your information. We need to make sure that we can identify you. Send your copy of your ID and your social security card into them, okay? It's other things that you can send in, but just make sure that you send in that identifying information so that they know who you are when they get your certified letter. All right. And if you guys need help with this, y'all don't want to have to think about what to put on letter. Y'all have 6 months worth. So what I'm telling y'all to do is now is 1 month. I'm going to create some for you for 6 months, a total of 6 months. So make sure you guys sign up for the 6 months of free letters if that's what you guys need help with your actual disputes, and you don't want to go over this learning curve. Please go ahead and sign up for it. It's available to you. Also, make sure you guys have a copy again of your 3-book bundle and get your disputes out. Send them certified ASAP. The faster you send them in, the faster you guys can actually see what's going to happen in terms of what account's going to get deleted. The faster you're going to see results, okay? I'll see you all for day 10.